So you're planning on buying an F30 or F32 in 2025, and I know it's not 2025, but you know, it's a month out, so we're calling it 2025. I'm just gonna give you guys some things to look out for and keep in mind, you know, before you buy it. But of course, the reason why we buy these cars is because of the looks. I mean, these cars look amazing. And yeah, the new G20s, they also look beautiful. I have no complaints about them either. But a thing you should look out for on these older cars is the wear and tear. But just remember, since these are older cars, and depending on how the owner treated it, you know, you're gonna have some wear and tear like this on the door, or even a rip in the seat. Now obviously it's not every single car, it just depends on how the owner treated the car. So, you know, you gotta find the right one with these F30s and F32. Don't just like, you know, see the first one, like the first one you see, don't just go ahead and buy it. Do some research on it, you know, check maintenance history, because the maintenance is actually gonna get me into my second point on why you should be careful with these cars. Now, since these are a little bit older, you are more prone to something failing, or, you know, just something you have to maintenance, and it's not a big deal. You just gotta get those oil changes done as well. Every 4 to 5K miles, change your oil. You know, I myself have actually had to get the serpentine belt and the valve cover gasket done, which honestly isn't that bad. My car is a 2013, so it's not that bad. But you know, you just gotta keep in mind that with these older cars, you are gonna have to, something might break and you're gonna have to fix it. But I mean, if you're not worried about the maintenance or wear and tear on the interior, then, you know, these are still amazing cars, and I for sure recommend you to buy one. And honestly, these F30s are really not that expensive anymore, so you could definitely pick one up, because, you know, the G20s are still pretty expensive right now. Also, the handling on these cars are great, and it has a lot of tuning potential. Well, mainly the 335s have the most tuning potential. The N20s, which are the 328s, they're not that bad. That's what I have right here, is the 328, and it's pretty quick. I'm not upset with it. I have some mods done to it, so yeah, it's a great car. Dunk Canyon runs on it. It drives great in the canyons. Handles amazing. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice, fun car that has great tuning potential, then these F30s are definitely a good option. So you're gonna be getting, you know, good looks on the car, pretty nice interior, and if you keep up with the maintenance and, you know, you make sure you buy the right car, then the car won't give you too much problems, if any at all. You just have to find, you know, the right spec, and this car, they're great, amazing cars. You know, the transmissions are great on them. They're pretty responsive, so I definitely recommend getting one.